Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to resize image in Word without losing quality. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we take some paragraphs and a document. Now we insert a picture in this document. Go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file, then click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Then we click the picture and go to the format menu. Then we click the wrap text option and choose in front of text. Now we move this image very easily. Now we resize the image without losing quality. Click the image and click the crop option and choose crop. Then crop the image without losing quality. Now we can see here we resize this image very easily and without losing quality. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.